Any parent or pet owner who has ever had to deal with cleaning up urine accidents from the floor or carpet knows how unpleasant it is. When a pet is ill or during house training, accidents may happen naturally. Unfortunately, professional carpet cleaners may be expensive. In today's video, we'll talk about an efficient, all-natural remedy for a pet's urine odor and stains. Using this method, a pet's messes can be cleaned up quickly and effectively. This cleaning solution is very easy to prepare. Consider the following. Here's what you will need. 3 tablespoons of baking soda. 10 ounces of hydrogen peroxide. 1 or 2 drops of dishwashing liquid. Instructions. Slowly mix all 3 ingredients together in a bowl. Be careful, the baking soda may make a foamy mess. Slowly pour the mixture into a spray bottle. Spray on the affected smelly area. Let it sit for at least an hour. The stains should be easy to remove. Urine and blood stains on the carpet can also be removed with this mixture. The carpet will be deodorized and have a clean scent in no time. This mixture can also be beneficial if a skunk has sprayed a pet. Give them a wash in this mixture to get rid of pet odor. Have you ever needed an all-natural, multifunctional cleaner? Please tell us in the comment section below. Give the video a thumbs up and share it with your friends if you enjoy it. Subscribe if you want to see more recipes and advice.